Hi guys, welcome back to the studio. But first off, begin by combing the entire area of your workplace. Make sure it's all even. Now with a 1.5 guard, the lever is all the way close, just above eye level, around the parental reach area. I'm debugging the entire perimeter. Guys, as you can tell, I'm taking my time to make sure that this process is as even as possible.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you
with no guard, the lever is all the way close. I'm starting my first initial guard line above the line-up area. I'm carefully pushing the line into the panel, all the way to the back, below the occipital bone.
I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Now, with the lever fully open, I'm starting my second guard by creating about a half-inch guard line. To make a transition to the skin line, move the lever halfway.
You whip up my appetite
And now to fully close to create the transition.
and drive.
Continue repeating the same process until all section comes together.
I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
Now, with the number 3 guard, the lever is all the way open. Guys, as you can tell, I'm not really creating any guard line. I'm just cleaning up the side within the perimeter. Notice how I'm pushing the blade in a straight motion to establish a clean connection to the top hair.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice.
Starting out from where I left off, here comes the number 2 guard. The lever is all the way open. As you can see, I'm carefully stacking the 2 guards together. Guys, here I'm making sure that this process is as even as possible. With a 1.5 guard, the lever is all the way open. As you can see, guys, this is a fading down process to connect the entire program together. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It helps the video reach a wider audience.
Butterfly.
Here comes the 116 guard with the lever halfway closed. This is the sweet spot without taking the fade too high. As you can see, I will be switching from halfway to fully closed to create a nice transition.
Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Now, with no guard, the lever is all the way open. Guys, this is a detailed process, and this is when the pros comes into play. Use your eyes, your mirror, and the corners of the blade to create even more detailed transition. As you can see, the fade is looking good and is finally coming together. Guys, if you have any other type of haircut you do like to see, Write in the comment section below. Or you are just starting out, you wanted more of beginner tutorials, check out this free video course.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Guys, to finish up, I'm using the clipper over comb technique. As you can tell, I'm dragging the hair to the last teeth of the comb before cutting off what I consider the excess. Notice that I'm not cutting off everything I grab with the comb, just the last bit, but still maintain the hair shape of my client. Guys, if you have made it up to this time, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for checking this out, and I will see you in the next video.
Don't leave me here high and dry.